Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey, and today we are going to do the block 5 of the Designer Mystery Block of the Month. And this one is designed by Barb Groves from Me and My Sister Designs. We're going to have a little dog and a star. And these are the fabrics we're going to use. So those are really cute. We will be putting it in the house. So we'll be putting it with the setting when we're done with the block. These blocks end at 12.5 by 12.5. The setting blocks are, I don't remember, it might be something like 24. So, but anyways, let me get these ironed and cut out, and I will be right back. Okay, I have all the pieces cut, and here is the pieces for the setting. So let's get over to the sewing machine and get started. Okay, the first thing they want us to do is to make a sawtooth star, and T is going to be our middle, and then Q and F are going to be our star points. And I've already marked all the pieces. There's a line going from corner to corner. We're going to sew on that line, and then it will be ironed over. So these are folded corners, and I believe any other pieces that need to be marked I've already marked. See this one? There's all this edge over here that is not covered. So what I need to do is I need to move the seam over a little, and then I will unpick that one. Okay, I've got that trimmed, and now we will put it on the other side. Okay, we're going to take 2 of these, put them on each side, and then we're going to take G, put 2 on each side of here. Okay, and then I will press that to the center. Okay, now we've got E, this is E and this is L, and we are going to do a folded corner on this as well. And we're going to trim this, and we're going to do one to the other side also. this one's on a little crooked. I've got, it's fine here, but it's not here, and it's fine here, but it's not here. So I'm going to fix that, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got that fixed. Now we're going to attach D to here, and then I to this. And again, make sure you have right sides together. And I press that towards D, and this strip, make sure it goes on the side with the point of the flying geese. I'll press that open, and that gets pressed towards this long strip. Okay, now we're going to take the other L piece, there was two of them, and the last E piece, and again make a folded corner. Okay, this piece is pressed and trimmed, and they had you take one of these and cut it in quarters, but it looks like we only need one. Same with K, looks like we need one piece. And same with O, this is just cut in half, and I think we only need one. And they want sorry, goes like this. It'll go like that. So first we need to put these two pieces together. And you want to make sure you have them the correct order. You want the tan on this side and the beige on this side. And they want you to press that open. Okay, that is pressed open. And this will get pressed towards here. So I'm going to press it and trim it, and I'll be back. Okay, that's pressed and trimmed, and we're going to take it so the red is next to here. Flip it over and sew these together. Okay, and now we have that piece done. Now we're going to take piece B and P, and we are going to do another folded corner. We're going to take M and put it so they still make a V, there's just a space in between. Okay, that piece is finished. Now we want to take C, R, and N. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for the moment. I should have two of these. Okay, I'll be right back. I've lost a piece. Okay, so we're going to take our N and our R, and we are going to match them up like this. Right sides together and sew down the long edge. Okay, we are going to press these to the red. Okay, we are going to put C in between, and they are going to be, both reds are going to be on top, and both tans are going to be on the bottom. And then these will be pressed towards the middle. Okay. And there is our piece. And now we can start putting our block together. We're going to have B, and then we're going to have this piece that we put together so that it goes like this. We're going to have S. Then we're going to have this so that the red is next to the other piece. And then we are going to have another strip, strip H, here. So let's put these together. This will get pressed towards here. When this comes together, it'll be pressed towards here. When these come together, it will be pressed towards here, and this gets pressed towards here. Okay, now I'm going to take this and sew it together. Okay, so these are going to be the dog's legs and his tail. Let's get this and this together. There's his head and part of his bow tie. Okay, now iron that to this side. They want you to iron it open. That probably would have been a good idea. Okay, I've got that pressed open, and then the sawtooth star goes underneath. Oh, I missed a piece. I'm supposed to put a piece here, so I need to take this off. Okay, this piece J goes in between, and things will get pressed towards J. Now we're going to take these two pieces and sew them together. We want this to nest here. Okay, and then I'll press those open. Okay, there is our dog, and now we need to put it in the house. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put pink strips on the sides. Make it gets ironed towards the pink. And that gets pressed towards the pink. Okay, then we're going to put these on each side and press towards this piece. Okay, now that those are ironed, we can put on our roof. Okay, and this one gets a flower. We're going to put it on the right side. Okay, here it is all finished, block 5. I've got it in the setting along with the flower. And after block 6, we can put row 2 together. So I want to thank you for joining me. If you're doing this as well, let me know how yours are turning out. And I hope you're having fun. And I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.